Hello guys, I'm about in the house now to install my braids. It's about up to 1 p.m. I know it's late, but then I went for an event last night, so I woke up late. So guys, these are the colors of the attachments I'll be using gold and inspiration. Then I'm also using this silver. This is silver. All expression products. Then also color 27. I try to use this rich braid because I'm using about 5 different colors of attachment, and if I'm to use the bigger ones, the attachment hair will be too heavy. So I'm also using this in 35. Like I think they are all expression products. Then this other one, this is 30. So I really don't know what these colors are gonna come out like, but then all I know is that I'm someone who likes to experiment something, and I'm sure gonna work it. And something me tells me that it's gonna be fine. Like I've seen Lydia Stanley on her YouTube channel when she did a video like this one. She used like this color. Okay. Among the colors I've used, this is the only color she didn't use. She replaced this with color 1. I think she used another color 33 or so. So she used like 6 different attachments, and me I'm using 5. So I trust the process. It's gonna come out well, but you guys should wait for it. I really like wearing braids, but I don't like the process because they have to drag my head. I have to bend my neck as if my head wants to come out from my body. So the whole process ends up hurting me in my back. I usually have back pain during that process, and also after having the braid installed. So today I decided that I am going to be going to the salon with my waist trainer. I'll be wearing my waist trainer and I'll be going there. Why? Because waist trainers help with good posture as well. So I will be wearing those waist trainer. Okay guys, so this is what the waist trainer looks like. This is it. I bought some from Lagos Island. The previous one I had, I bought it from Alibaba. That wasn't my size. I followed the size chart. My waist is 32. Then I selected it, they gave me XXL. They think another in Nigeria. Oh, it came out to be so big for me, so I had to buy this one. You guys can see it's just my perfect size. It fits, so I had to buy this one from Lagos Island Market, and I'm keeping that one for my sister. You guys just have to be careful about buying things online, you get. So like I said earlier, this would also help me with good posture. So by the time you'll be dragging my head and my neck, I wouldn't feel that much of a backache. So this is it. Okay guys, so see you guys in my stylist office in 1, 2, 3. So guys, right now I am at the stylist shop. You guys can see the attachment. The 5 colors look really nice. They are still mixing the rest in bits. This first one is a sample. Here I get to the side size. I am okay with the size. We're just gonna move in now. I didn't mention this is a cutting too. Now that we've approached the front, she's adding more attachments in order to achieve equal length. Now we have approached the center part. Here, she's doing the normal Ghana waving.
You can show this to your stylist. I'm very sure he or she will get a hang of it. Now the time is 15 minutes to 6. If you guys remember, I left the house 21 minutes after 1 and I started the hair around 2. 1 hour 31 minutes later, and we're still not done with this part. The time now was 24 minutes to 7 p.m. and we are still here. I really thought that I should be almost done with the hair now. This is what we signed up for. So now, power has been seized. I was no longer giving out attachments, so I needed to get busy. Well, that was short-lived, as Auntie decided to drag my hands off the hair. The plan was to leave it some braided ones like this, but I called it the next day. I find this really helpful. For me, it reduces the pain. Right now, she's putting styling mask. I don't really know why, but my first guess is to make the hair last longer. So we finished everything about this hair by 8:40 p.m. This is the next morning. I am just doing a quickie makeup for work.